Welcome to Raw Perfect classes. In this video, I will solve comparing quantities part 3. Comparing quantities. In this video, I will discuss about how to calculate amount, how to calculate compound interest and simple interest, etc. Now, first question is, we have given principal amount, that is rupees 10,800. Rate of interest that is given 12 into 1 by 2%, that will be 25 by 2%, and it will be represented by R, and this will be represented by P, and time that will be represented by T, that is given 3 years. You have to find out amount and compound interest. For finding amount, we will use this formula. Amount is equal to principal amount multiply 1 plus rate of interest over 100 power time. P is given 10,800 multiply 1 plus rate of interest is 25 by 2. 2 will be written with the 100 and power is 3. 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. 10,800 multiply 1 plus 1 over 8 power 3. 10,800 multiply 9 by 8. It will be written 3 times because power is 8. Now divide. First of all, 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 4 7s are 28. 0 0. Now next, 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10. 2 0 0. 2 4s are 8. 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 5s are 10. 9 multiplied by 9, that is 81. 81 multiplied by 9, 729. Then multiply by 675. 9 5s are 45. 5 to the 10 plus 4 14. 7 5 is the 35. 35 plus 1 36. 1 cross. 7 9 is 63. 6 is remainder. 7 to the 14 plus 6 20. 7 7 the 49 plus 2 51. Then again multiply 2 symbol. 6 9 is the 54. 5 is remainder. 6 to the 12. 12 plus 12 plus 5 17. 7 6 the 42 plus 1 43. 5 7 6 4 10. 7 plus 4 11 plus 1 12. 8 plus 1 9. You will get this value, that is 4,92,075 over 8 4s the 32. After dividing, we will get 15,377.34. You can check it by dividing like this. 32 divided by 492,075. First it will be go on 1. 32 ones are 32. 9 minus 2 7. 4 minus 3 1. 2 is taken, and then 5. 32 5s are 160. 2 1. Then take again 0 0. Then 3. 3 2 is the 6. 3 9 3 is the 9. 10 minus 6 4. 11 minus 9 2. Then take 7, and then it will go on 7. 7 2 is 14. 7 3 is 21 plus 1 22. 3 2. And again go on 7 1 1. Now take decimal and take the 0, it will go on 3, that is 96, or 10 minus 9 1, then again take 0. It's depend on you how much decimal points, after decimal how much digits you have to go. Then again go on 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. This is your answer of amount. Now after getting amount, you can calculate compound interest. Amount minus P. Amount is 377.34 minus 10,800, and we will get 4,577 decimal 35. You can see this 10,800.00. 3477, 13 minus 8 5, and 4. This is your answer. Thus you can calculate compound interest and amount. Now next question is related to half year. Related to time, which is given in the form of mixed value. For example, we have given principal is 18,000 and time is given 2.5 years, that is 5 by 2 years, and rate is given 10% per annum. For solving this type of question, we have to first of all keep in mind that there should be implement two formulas. First formula of amount, then then we use simple interest formula. So first of all, here we will write, we calculate amount. Amount is equal to P multiply 1 plus rate over 100 power t. For solving amounts value, we will take power only. Here we will only take this 2, and this 1 by 2 is used for calculating simple interest, and then we will add both interest. This is the method of solving it. 1 plus R is given 10 over 100, and P is given 18,000. Here 18,000 multiply 0 cut with 0, and after LCM 10 plus 1 over 10 power 2. 18,000 multiply 11 by 10 multiply by 11 by 10, 0 cut with 0, and after multiplying 180 with 120, 11 11 is the 121. 121 multiply by 18, 18 1 is the 18, and 18 2 is the 36 plus 1 37. 18 1 is the 18, 18 plus 3 21. Now answer is 21,780. This is your amount, and we can say that so interest after 2 years, after 2 years, that will be A minus P. 21,780 minus 18,000, and we will get 3,780, that is interest after 2 years. Now here, for calculating simple interest for half year, we use new principal amount, that is 21,780, because after till 2 year we get that interest, and we have to calculate after 2 years interest. So after 2 years amount will be rupees 21,780. So that's why we use here that is a new principal amount, that is rupees 21,780. Rate of interest same, time will be taken here half year, and we will take here simple interest formula, P into R into T over 100. For solving this, simple interest is equal to 21,780 multiply 10 multiply 1 by 2 and multiply 100. Zeros cut with zeros, and 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 zeros 0, 2 eights the 16, 2 nines the 18. 1089 is the simple interest of half year after 2 years. Now you can write total simple interest is equal to rupees 3,780 plus rupees 1,089, and total compound interest is 4,869, and amount will be total, that will be principal plus interest 18, that amount is 21,000, that amount will be 21780 plus interest is 1089, and we will get amount 22,869. This is your amount, and this is your compound interest. This is the method when we have given year in this format: 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, or you can say mixed form, mixed factor is given, then we use this method, then we will use this method. Now next question, which is related to when compounded interest will be calculated on half yearly way. Means here we given principal amount is 62,500 rupees, 62,500, and rate of interest is given 8% per annum. But in this question they said compounded half yearly. They said compounded half yearly. When they said compounded half yearly, compounded half yearly, then we have to multiply rate of interest with 1 by 2, and we will get half yearly rate of interest. That means for 6 months rate of interest, that is 4%, and time is given 1 into 1 by 2 years, and when we solve this, that is 3 by 2, and we also multiply time with 2 years, 2 cut with 2, and we will get 3 half years. 3 half years means 1.5 years. 3 half years. Now you can implement compound interest. For calculating compound interest, we will be calculate first of all amount. P multiply 1 plus R over 100 power T. P is given 62,500. 1 plus R is given 4 over 100. Time is given 3.5 years. 4 ones are 4, 425 is 100. 62,500 multiply 25 is taken as LCM. 25 ones are 25 and here 1 is plus. And 62,500 multiply 26 by 25 multiply by 26 by 25 multiply 26 by 25 3 times. Now cut this value. 25 ones are 25, 25 2s are 50 and 25 you can divide it by this by 25. 25 2s are 50, 25 5s are 125 and these two zeros will be written with. Now 25 ones are 25, 25 ones are 25, 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. 26 multiply by 26 multiply by 26 and then multiply by 4, we will get rupees 70,304. You can multiply here 26 into 26 676, then multiply again 26 6 6 the 36, 6 7 the 42 plus 3 45, 6 6 the 36 plus 4 40, 6 2 the 12, 7 to the 14 plus 1 15, 6 to the 12 plus 1 13, 6 7 5, then 7 1 7 and then again multiply by 4. 4 6 the 24, 4 7 the 28 plus 2 30, 5 4 the 20 plus 3 23 and 4 7 the 28 plus 2 30, 4 1 the 4, 4 plus 1 7. This is your answer of amount. Now you can calculate compound interest by this formula, amount minus principal. 70,304 minus 62,500 and we will get amount of compound interest. This is the amount of compound interest and this question is solved by half yearly method. You should keep in mind that if written compounded half yearly, then rate will be multiplied by 1 by 2 and time will be multiplied by 2 because in 1 year there are 2 half year. 1 by 2 1 by 2 when we plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 we get 1 year. But if return is compounded annually and time is given in mixed factor form, then you have to use two formulas. two formulas for calculating compound interest, that is first amount is equal to P1 plus R over 100 power time, and then compound interest is equal to amount minus P, and after that new principal value is equal to amount value, and after that we will use simple interest formula, that is P multiplied by R multiplied by T over 100. Now here example, if time is given in the form of 2 into 1 by 2 or 3 into 1 by 2 or 4 into 3 by 4, etc., any type of way it is given, then you have to write these values for calculating amount here, and in the form of factor form these values will be written here for calculating simple interest, and after this both will be added, and then we will get a total compound interest. Now next question is, in this question number 2 of your book, NCERT book, question number 2 of exercise 8.3. In this question said Kamala borrowed rupees 26,400. Borrowed amount, that is known as principal amount, from a bank to buy a scooter at a rate of interest. Rate of interest is 15% per annum and compounded yearly. Then what amount will she pay at the end of 2 years and 4 months? Here time is given 2 years and 4 months. 4 months, it will be write like this, 2 into 4 by 12, because in 1 year we have 12 months. So here we written 12 for converting in a year. 4 ones the 4, 4 3 the 12. Now it will be 2 into 1 by 3 years. Here we will use formula. First of all, we will calculate amount for 2 years. By using this formula, P into 1 plus R over 100 power time. P is given 26,400, multiply 1 plus R. R is given 15%, 15 over 100. Time is taken here 2 only, and 1 by 3 will be taken for calculating simple interest. 26,400 multiply 5 3 is the 15, 5 20 is the 100, and 1 plus 3 by 20 power 2. 26,400 multiply, after taking LCM 20 we will get here 20 plus 3 and power 2. 26,400 multiply by 23 by 20 multiply 23 by 20. 0 cut with 0 and 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Then again 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12. Now multiply 23 with 23, we will get 529. Then multiply by 66 and we will get amount 34,914. And here amount will be 34,914. Now you will calculate compound interest A minus P. 34,914 minus principal amount is 26,400. 34,914 minus 26,400, we will get this amount 8,514. That is your compound interest after 2 years. And after 2 years, principal amount will be changed. Now new principal amount will be, that is 34,914. And time will be taken here 1/3 year. And then rate of interest will be 15%. Simple interest is equal to P multiply R multiply by T over 100. 34,914 multiply 15 multiply 1/3 and over 100 here multiply. 5 3 is the 15, 5 20 is the 100. Then 3 was the 3. Now 34,914. 20 ones are 20, 27s are 140, 24s are 80, 25s are 100, and take the point, 27s are 140. You can see simple interest will be calculated, that is 1745.70. Now you can calculate total compound interest. Total compound interest will be 8,514 plus 8,514 plus 1,745. 1,745.70. Now both values should be multiplied. 1,745.70. 7 0 9 5 12 9 and 10. And total compound interest will be 10,259.70. Thus you can calculate compound interest. And in question we have to calculate total amount which to be paid by Kamla. That will be calculated by total amount is equal to 34,914 plus 1,745.70. When we plus 34,914 1,745.70, then we will get 956 or 6, and answer is 36,659.70 is your total amount which will be paid by the Kamla at the end of time. And next question is question number 3 of NCERT book. Question number 3. In this question, Fabina borrows rupees principal amount, borrows rupees 12,500. Rate of interest is given 3% per annum. Time is given 3 years. In this question, Favina said, borrow rupees 12,500 at 12% per annum for 3 years at simple interest. And on the other side, Radha borrows the same amount for the same time period at 10% compounded annually. Who pays more interest and why, how much? So, first of all, this is given according to Favina. And here we will write according to Radha. Radha also takes same loan, but rate of interest, Radha pays take of interest, sorry, in this side I have written wrong value of rate of interest. Rate of interest according to Favina, that is given 12%. And Radha take the loan on the rate of interest 10% per annum, but compounded annually. And time is given, time period will be same, that is 3 years. We have to calculate who pays more interest and why, how much. So first of all, we will be calculate simple interest for Favina. P into R into T over 100, and 12,500 multiply 12 multiply 3 over 100. 0 cut with 0, and then multiply. After multiplying these values, we will get 4,500 rupees simple interest. And in this side, amount, first of all we will calculate amount. P multiply 1 plus R over 100 power T. P is given 12,500 multiply 1 plus 10 over 100 power 3. 0 cut with 0. 12,500 multiply, LCM will be taken 10, 10 plus 1, 11 power 3. 12,500 multiply 11 by 10, that should be multiply 3 times. 11 by 10, 0 cut with zeros. Now you will get amount, that will be, after solving it, we will get 125 multiply 1331, 11 11s are 121, and 121 multiply by 11, that is 1331 over 10. Now you can solve it. 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Here you can solve it by this. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 3 15 plus 1 16, 5 plus 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 1 6, 2 6 6 2, 5 7 12 13 and 3. Here we will get 33,275 over 2 after division. After division by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, and 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, and take the point, 2 5s are 10. We will get 16,637.50 rupees of amount. After this, you will calculate compound interest by subtracting principal amount from this calculated amount. Principal amount will be subtracted from this value. Compound interest is equal to 16,637.50 minus 12,500. You will be get 4,137.50 value of compound interest. Now you can see who pays more interest and how much. Who pays more interest? Favina pays more interest. How much? That will be 4,500 minus 4,137.50 and answer is 362.50 is the answer of value that will be more interest will be paid by the Favina. Now next question is question number 4. In this question, I borrowed rupees 12,000 from Jamshed at 6% per annum simple interest for 2 years. Had I borrowed this sum at 6% per annum compound interest, what extra amount would I have to pay? This question should be solved by you. I will give you some hint. Here you will use two formulas. First you will use simple interest formula, then you will use compound interest formula. That means first you calculate simple interest, then you calculate amount, and then you calculate compound interest amount minus P. And after that you will count the difference between both values of interest, simple interest and compound interest. That's your answer of extra amount which to be paid by me. Now next question number 5. This question is a homework for you. You have to solve it. In next 5th question, Vasudevan invested 60,000. That is your principal amount. Invested 60,000 at an rate of interest. Rate of interest is 12% per annum half yearly. That means 12 multiply by 1 by 2. 12 multiply 1 by 2, you will get 6% half yearly. And time that is given, what amount would he get after 6 months and after 1 year. After 6 months and after 1 year. Here we take time is 6 months. 6 months means 6 by 12, that is 1 by 2 year. So here you will calculate first simple interest. P into R into T over 100, because we cannot calculate by fraction number of year compounded interest. So we will use here simple interest formula for calculating interest. P is given 60,000 and rate of interest is 6%. Time is given. Here you will not take the time. You will not take the time half year, because because we will calculate simple interest. So that's why here we will use time half year, but rate of interest will be taken by us, that is 12. Time will be half year multiply 100. Zeros cut with 0, 2 6 are 12, and 3600 is the amount of simple interest when time is 6 months, and amount will be P plus simple interest. 60,000 plus 3600, you will get 63,600 amount after 6 months. Now second point, in this point principal amount same 60,000. Rate of interest, here we will calculate rate of interest by dividing 1 by 2, that will be 6%, and time will be 1 year. 1 year means multiply by 2, that is 2 half years. 2 half years. And here we will implement amount formula, P multiply 1 plus R over 100 power T. P is 60,000, 1 plus 6 by 100 power 2. 60,000 multiply 100 plus 6 over 100 power 2. 60,000 multiply 106 over 100 multiply 106 over 100. Zeros cut with zeros. When we multiply these numbers with each other, we will get 67,416. This is the amount when we use time 1 year, but here we have to given rate of interest per annum compounded half years. So that's why we will take here rate of interest half year, half, and the time will be multiplied by 2, because time in between 1 year you have to pay 2 times this amount, 2 times compound interest, and you have to pay total amount 67,416 after 1 year. And in question number 6, I will give you hint. It will be solved by you. You have to solve it. This is your homework. Hint is that you have given loan, that is your principal amount, and if rate of interest is given 10% per annum, time is given 1 into 1 by 2 years, and first question compounded annually, and in second point compounded half yearly. In when you have to found compounded annually, then you have to use these two methods, simple interest, then amount, then compound interest is equal to amount minus principal, and simple interest principal into rate into time over 100, and amount is P multiply 1 minus 1 plus rate over 100 power T. Here time will be half and here time will be taken 1, and after this both answers will be added and total compound interest you will be calculated. And in this case rate is equal to rate multiply by 1 by 2 and time is also multiply by 2 and you will get 3 half years. Or here 10 2 ones are 2 2 fives are 10 5% you will get rate of interest. Then you have to implement amount then compound interest formula. And after that you have to take the difference between them. And in question number 7, Maria invested rupees 8,000. Investment amount is 8,000. That will be your principal amount. Rate of interest is given 5% per annum compounded annually. But they said in first point, find the amount credited against her name at the end of second year. And in second point, they said the interest for the third year. So, time according to first year, you will take 2 years. And according to second question, you have to take time is equal to 3 years. In first point, according to first point, you will take P into 1 plus R over 100 power T and this time will be written here. You will calculate amount and in second year interest for the we have to calculate interest for third year. So first of all you have to calculate amount principal into 1 plus rate over 100 power time. Here we will use this time and we will calculate amount of 3 years and minus amount of 2 years which you have to calculate in first point 2 years and take the difference, and difference is the interest of third year. Difference this is the this amount will be for interest for third year. When you amount of 3 years minus amount of 2 years calculate, that amount will be interest for third year. And in question number 8, find the amount and compound interest on 10,000. That means you have to given question number 8, that is P is equal to 10,000. P is equal to 10,000 and time is given 1 and 1 into 1.5 years. Rate of interest is given 10% and they said compounded half yearly. Compounded half yearly. So you have to solve time like this. By multiply 2, you get time 3.5 years, and rate of interest is also divided, multiply by 1/2. That means rate of interest will be half, 5% half yearly. Then you have to implement amount P, 1 plus rate of interest over 100 power T. T is the time. After calculating amount, you will calculate compound interest by implementing amount minus principal. Thus you can get compound interest. But on the other side, they also said that if interest is compounded annually, then how can you calculate it? For this, you have to remember same formulas, that first calculate simple interest, then amount, then compound interest by amount minus principal, and after that both will be added. You will calculate total compound interest. Here time will be equal to fraction value which is given, and here time will be taken round value, whole value, means you have given 1 into 1/2. 1/2 is taken here and 1 is taken here. You can calculate simple interest, then you can calculate answers of compound interest. Now next question, 9th. I will give here only I will give you only here hint how to calculate these questions, because all questions are solved by same method. First in this question, find the amount which Ram will get rupees 4096. Principal amount given, that is 4096. Rate of interest is given 12 into 1/2%, and time is given here 18 months, and convert into year by dividing 12. You will get 6 3 is the 9, 6 2 is the 12, that is 3/2 year. But in question they said compounded half yearly, so that's why here you have to multiply rate of interest by 1/2 and time will be multiplied by 2. You will be get time in round figure, and rate of interest is 25/4%. Now you can use amount formula and you can be calculated amount value. You will use here amount is equal to P bracket star 1 plus rate over 100 power time. And in next question, that is question number 10, the population of place increased to 54,000 2003. Population in 2003, that is 54,000. That is total amount is given, because 2003's amount is given here 54,000, that is amount value. Amount value is given here 54,000, and rate of interest is given 5% per annum, and we have to find population in year 2001. Time will be 2 years. How to calculate this time? 2003's years time amount is given, and we have to find out to 2001's population. So when we subtract 2001 from 2003, we will get the 2 years time, and after this you will be put amount formula P multiply 1 plus r over 100 power t. Here 54,000 will be written on the left side and p we have to calculate. 1 plus r, r is given 5 and over 100 time is given 2. 54,000 is equal to p multiply 5 was the 5, 520 is the 100, and after LCM we will get 21 by 20 power 2, and this for 54,000 is equal to p multiply by 21 into 21 441 over 400. 54,000 multiply 400 by 441, because in multiplications value when we go, take the left to right, right to left, then we have to change the sign, and so that's why it will be reverse. Now after dividing these values, we will get here p is equal to 21 6. That means here 21 crores 6 lakhs. You can say 2 crores 16 lakhs over 441. After dividing it, we will get 48,979.59. This is approximately population in 2001. In second point, you have to find population of 2005. When we have to calculate population of 2005, then we will be take principal amount, that is population in 2003's value will be taken as a principal amount, because we have to calculate population in 2005, that will be come after the 2003. So that's why 2003's value will be taken as a principal amount, and population in 2005 will be taken as a for calculating the amount. So next point we will take same formula. Amount is equal to p multiply 1 plus r over 100 power t. 54,000 multiply 1 plus rate of interest 5%. Time will be here also 2, because 2005 minus 2003, that is 2. 54,000 multiply by 5 was the 5, 520 is the 100. After multiplication, after the solving this statement, we will get 21 by 20 power 2. 54,000 multiply 21 divided by 2, 20, 21 by divided by 20, 0 cut with 0. 2 2 is the 4, 2 7 is the 0, 14, 2 0 0. Two ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 3 is 6, 2 5 is 10. 135 multiply 441. Now you will get amount 59,535. Thus you can get the answer. Thus you can solve other questions. Question number 11, 12. These all questions are solved by this method. In question number 11, in laboratory, the count of bacteria in certain experiment was increasing at the rate of 2.5% per hour. Here we have given rate 2.5% per hour. And we have given principal amount, that is initial counting of bacteria, that is known as P, 5,06,000. You can say these are the initial count of bacteria. And here time is given in the form of hours, that is 2 hours. Now you have to find out bacteria at the end of 2 hours. For calculating bacteria of at the end of 2 hours, we will be use same formula, that is amount is equal to P bracket start 1 plus R over 100 power T. Here we will use principal amount 5,06,000 in bracket 1 plus 2.5 over 100 power 2. Point, by eliminating this point, we will be taken here in denominators 1 0. 5,66,000, 25 ones the 25, 25 fours the 100. After calculating this, 40 plus 1 over 40 power 2. 5,06,000 multiply 41 by 40 multiply by 41 by 40. Zeros cut with zeros, then divide by 4. When we calculate this value by divide by 4, here we will calculate 5060. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 2 remainder, 4 6 are 24, 2 remainder, 4 5 are 20. 1265, 1265 multiply 41 into 41, we will calculate after calculating it will be 1681. After multiplying all these values and dividing by 4, we will get 55,31,616.25. That's your answer by dividing by 4. In 12th question, question number 12. In 12th question, a scooter was bought rupees 42,000. That means you have given cost price. This question is very important for exam point of view. Cost price of scooter is given, that is rupees 42,000, and rate of depreciation. Depreciation means when we use anything, that thing will be depreciate after some time, and it will reduce the value of that thing. That is given 8% per annum, and time is given here 1 year, and we have to find value after 1 year. After 1 year, value after 1 year. For calculating its value after 1 year, we will use this formula. Its present value multiply 1 minus rate of interest power time. Present value is 42,000. Multiply 1 minus, why we do it this? Why minus? Reason is that depreciation means reduce the value of thing. So that's why minus 8 by 100. Power is 1. 4 2s are 8, 4 25s are 100. 42,000 multiply. After solving this statement, we will be get 25 minus 2, 23 by 25. And after solving it, we will get answer 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40, 5 4s are 20, 5 0 0. 5 1s are 5, 5 6 are 30, 5 8s are 40, 5 0 0. After multiplying all these things, we will be get 38,640. This is the value after 1 year of a scooter that will be remain after 1 year. I have tried to teach you how to solve simple interest, how to solve compound interest, and how to solve amount. And when you have to given a time in a fraction form, in a mixed form, then you then what formulas will be used by you. I have taught all these things in this video. You have to listen and you have to watch carefully. You can learn how to calculate all these things.